All right, let's start.
Good day to all our parents and guardians. Welcome to our Project Open PTech for Science and STEM Schools Orientation.
Tayo po ay manalangin. Panginoon Diyos, kami po ay buong puso na nagpapasalamat sa iyong walang hanggang pag-ibig sa bawat isa sa amin. Salamat sapagkat taglay pa namin ang aming hiram na buhay at lakas, maging ang karunungang isinangkap mo sa amin upang mabuhay. Dalangin din po namin na paglilingin mo nawa ang may mga karamdaman, ingatan ang bawat isa sa amin, 10 ng aming pamilya. Tulungan ang mga nahihirapan, bigyang kaliwanagan ang mga naliligaw ng landas, at hipuin mo nawa, Ama, ang puso at isip ng bawat isa sa amin upang patuloy na makapaglakbay at makapaglingkod ng naaayon sa iyong kagustuhan. Hinihiling po namin sa iyo na muli kaming tulungan ngayon sa aming aktibidad upang lalo pang umunlad ang karunungan namin para sa lalo naming ikatatag sa buhay at upang kami patuloy na maging instrumento sa pagkatuto ng aming mga mag-aaral. Payagan mo po sana na maging produktibo ang sandaling ito sa amin at patawarin mo po kami sa aming mga pagkakasala. Buong galang po namin hinihiling ang lahat sa tanging pangalan ng Panginoong Jesucristo na aming tagapagligtas. Amen.
Good day, dear parents and guardians. Welcome to our Orientation Day, Open PTech, Pathways to Early College High School. So what is Open PTech? So here, Marikina Science High School with other science high school in the National Capital Region participated in one of the DepEd activities for the preparation for the implementation of Project Open PTech and STEM schools this month of February. PTech is created in collaboration with the New York City Department of Education, New York City College of Technology, and IBM Corporation. Open PTech is a digital learning platform that was especially created and curated for teachers and students ages 14 to 20 years old. It is intended for a younger audience but open for anyone to use. Open PTech also offers free digital credentials once the learner has completed a course. Dear parents and guardians, ang PTech po ay free and open to you and everyone else and everywhere else. It is for free. Open PTech orients you to wide world of technology. Learn all about AI, artificial intelligence, cloud, cybersecurity, quantum, and more. So we have this following courses: artificial intelligence, design thinking, data science, professional skills, cyber security, and more. Yan po yung matutunan ng ating mga anak dito sa Open PTech. Open PTech orients you to the wide world of technology. Learn all about AI, cloud, cybersecurity, and yung mga courses nga po. And they have these badges. IBM has launched Open PTech to help young people and digital badges which can be added to their social profiles and can use in resumes. So yun po, magagamit, once na makomplete po nila ang course, magkakaroon sila ng badge at ilalagay po itong mga badge na ito sa kanilang social profile na magagamit po nila sa pag-apply ng mga trabaho. So, libre ng matuto at magagamit pa po nila pag sila ay nag-apply sa anumang profession.
Okay. For our mission, objectives, and value drivers, for mission, a new model of public education called PTech is helping close the gap between young people's ambition for college and careers and the specific skills needed by employers in high-growth industry. PTech is a powerful demonstration of public and private partnership designed to help all students achieve at the highest level. So that is the mission of the PTech. For our objectives, equips 14 to 20 years old learners and educators with foundational technology competencies. It trains in technologies that are highly valued in the market, set by Open PTech apart. So, PTech schools versus Open PTech schools. No? For PTech schools, pathways in technology, early college, high school are innovative public schools spanning grades 9 to 14 that bring together the best elements of high school, college, and career. So meaning po, from grades 9 no, until to 14, ito po yung binibigay ni PTech. Dito po nag-i-start ang learning with the digital mode. Then, to Open PTech schools naman po, free digital learning on cutting-edge technology designed for students. So meaning, dito naman po ay sa school, ang makukuha po ito through free digital learning na kung saan pag natutunan ng bata ito, no, ng ating mga kids, mas madali silang makakapasok dun sa ibang business or ibang trabaho na kung saan ngayon po ay nangangailangan na ng digital and high technologies na kung saan talagang mas tinitignan na dun sa isang bata. Okay, the new collar jobs. Ito naman po yung sinasabi natin na kung saan 42% of the jobs by 2020, no, year of 2022 rather, will require new skills such as analytics or design thinking in addition to soft skills such as complex problem solving. Okay po. So for the value drivers, ito yung mga industry recognized by Digital Badges. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Josa na kapag natapos nila to, they can also be hired. No? Kasi ito na yung hahanapin ng ibang mga companies. Great ways to highlight new skills on a resume. So, may ilalagay na nila ito sa profile nila sa social media. Then, custom created content for student, engaging in the introductory learning, then special content for teachers, access in students' dashboard, can assign content, yan po, then exposure to emerging careers and skills. Yan po yung mas maganda kasi yung exposure natin ng mga bata diyan sa Open PTech na yan, mas lumalaki yung tsansa na kung saan yung confidence din nila sa pakikipagsabak, no, sa mundo ng open industry na with wild technologies na hinahanap. Students gain insight into emerging technology trends. Siyempre, makakasabay po ang ating mga bata pagka po natutunan nila yung Open PTech na ito. Po, thank you po and God bless.
The consent form. In order for any student under the age of 18 to use the PTech digital learning platform, IBM requires that the student's parent or legal guardian provide their consent. By agreeing, you certify that you are the student's parent or legal guardian. Have read all our data, the data privacy and terms of use. Approve the student's consent to the data privacy policy and terms of use, and consent to the collection, use, and disclosure of the student's personal information as described in the data privacy policy. Please write the complete name of student, name and signature of parent or guardian, and the date.
Okay po, just to remind lamang po na the deadline of the parent consent would be March 10. Po. Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Thank you, dear
Thank
parents. We
you.
hope a great partnership with you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.